The outline method is a clean and organized structure which is perfect for university students. The outline method is structured and logical with an emphasis on organizing your data. It can help you maintain a straightforward order to your notes and making them easier to review. Outlining works well for almost every subject and is highly effective and simple to master. In highly structured and methodical lectures it will be easy to apply the outline method. The nested structure makes it easy to identify relationships and connections between topics. Notes in the outline method group information together, making it easy to identify relationships. Creating an outline is an easy way to prioritize and organize your notes. Connections between topics and themes are easy to spot, making learning and revision effective. Reducing the time needed for review and editing. The outline method can improve your productivity. The outline method focuses on main topics and subtopics. The structure starts with the main topic, then refines information down to more minor details. The main topics are listed on the left side of the document. The subtopics come next and are indented under the main topics. Any supporting thoughts or facts are included under the subtopics and are also indented. All further details follow with more indentation. When using the outline method, you should consider different formatting options. Using bullet points, numbers and arrows can help you differentiate between data levels and themes. You should always aim to review your notes within 24 hours of the lecture while the notes are fresh. When note-taking, aim to use short sentences, abbreviations, or acronyms to keep your notes concise. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please subscribe to my channel for more videos.